Here comes your pre-market summary for Tuesday, April 4th. Futures back in positive territory this morning, looking to extend some of those gains we saw late in the day yesterday. That was led by tech once again. We saw pretty impressive moves right into the close by all things NASDAQ, including some of the chip makers, big tech as well, Apple, Microsoft, all with pretty impressive moves. Here's how futures are shaping up so far this morning. 0.27 to the upside for the S&P right now. Basically flat for the Dow. We were actually negative when I sat down there, but back to the upside we go. 0.37. As I mentioned, some of the tech names trying to lead here early on so far this morning. It was full percent when I sat down, but 0.8 right now for crude oil. So we'll keep an eye on some of the energy names once again coming off that huge move Monday, 6.5% when all was said and done to the upside for crude to start the week. 2.6 there for Bitcoin, almost 5%. Nice bounce for Ethereum as well to kick things off so far this morning. Not much in the way of important economic data this morning outside of U.S. factory orders coming through, month-over-month number at 10 o'clock this morning. We do have a couple of Fed speakers later on in the day. Fed's Cook and Collins speaking at 1:30 and 1:45. So we'll keep an eye on that. That is how the S&P 500 is shaping up 2 days in a row. Nice solid green candles. We're all the way back to 411 on the SPY. Pretty impressive move over the past few days. The Qs as well, 320 coming into play for the NASDAQ. Nice looking daily chart. This trend still well intact, obviously. Headed to the upside for another day, possibly. Tesla back on watch. We got overall Q1 delivery numbers yesterday. We got China delivery numbers for March today from Tesla, a little better than expected. So up slightly here in the pre-market, 1+% anyways, looking to bounce back from yesterday's 6% decline, if you remember. Didn't go over too well, those delivery numbers from Q1. Exxon back on watch as well, along with the rest of the energy group. Look at that huge gap yesterday, nice green candle. We're higher again this morning along with oil prices. Big move for both AMC and APE shares coming off this litigation deal that came out after the close yesterday. So AMC down sharply, APE up sharply. We're getting closer to the price parity for both. So we'll talk about both coming up. Apple, more job cuts to come apparently for Apple, or small, according to this, small amount of jobs in corporate retail, according to Bloomberg. That was out after the close yesterday. Intel, 7-month high yesterday. We had that upgrade from Bernstein. Chip's still in charge here as far as this rally is concerned. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in a row there on the daily chart for Intel to the upside. New co-CEO for PDD. We'll see what that does to the stock. Boeing back on watch. Baird with a nice note pointing to better than expected deliveries. And this little one, Butterfly, BFLY, moving around on some AI, medical-related AI data this morning. Grab the watch list, guys. Use that QR code. Bottom of the screen right now. You can have it for free every single day. Comes right to your inbox. We'll see you shortly on TraderTV.Live.